Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a leaked mythical epic coming to Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so the hero pose for the leaked Coral Gyroth room is out, so we are going to look at that. So if we go over here, we can see that right here there is a Gyroth room that looks super cool. Its hero pose is a lot different from the original, but this gives us a good idea of what it's going to look like. It has some coral on the back of it. These like tentacles, they're not tentacles, I don't know what to call them, but they're like on the side of the face. We have sort of like octopus, I don't know what you'd call them, on the side of their face. Sort of like a coral mask. Some octopus tentacles right here. And some sea life on its back. So here's its icon if you haven't seen it. And this version of it right here makes it look a lot cooler, and I'm definitely really excited for this one. Also, here is the hero pose for it, or no, the spine for it. We can see that it has tentacles. I assume because of these that it's going to be like, it walks around on flippers. You can't really tell that from the hero pose. Maybe it'll be floating like the whales in Prodigy, sort of like this. We also have some of its attack animation stuff, which looks pretty cool. And I definitely think this is going to be one of the coolest mythical epics. Anyways, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe so that we can hit 3K by the end of the month, and bye.